Hi everyone, my name is Simrit and today I'm going to be showing you how to make the sleeve friendship bracelet. So let's begin. First, I'm going to choose 6 different colors of string and cut them out so that they are each 57 inches long, except one color, which I'm going to use for the loop, because on that string I'm going to cut out 67 inches of string. Now I'm going to make the loop for my bracelet. If you don't know how to make this loop, I have a tutorial on it on my channel, and I highly suggest you go check it out. Now spread out your strings. Make sure that whatever order you choose to put your strings on the left side is a mirror image of the strings on the right side. Then from here, you're basically going to make a chevron in reverse. If you don't know how to make a chevron friendship bracelet and you are interested in making one, I have a tutorial on it on my channel, so definitely go and check it out. Normally you would start on the outside of the bracelet and work your way in, but in this bracelet we're going to start in the center and then work our way out. So to start, take your 2 center strings and make a forward knot. To make a forward knot, take your left string and cross it over the right, creating a 4 shape. Then take the end of that string and tuck it underneath, then take it through the hole and slide your string up to the top. This is half of your forward knot. Now to complete it, do it once again. Then working our way out, take the next string on the left and make a forward knot onto the red string. And on the opposite side, do the exact same thing, but you're going to make a backward knot instead. And to make a backward knot, take your right string and fold it over the left to create a backwards 4. Then take the end of that string, take it through the hole and slide it up to the top. And just like a forward knot, you're going to do this twice. And now the order of your strings should have switched. Before I had red in the center, but now I have orange. Now I'm going to connect these 2 strings by creating a forward knot. Then take your next string. And if you haven't noticed, every time you make a forward knot, your string moves to the right. And every time you make a backward knot, your string will move to the left. So what you're going to do now is take the next string and make forward knots onto the 2 strings next to it until it reaches the center. Then on the opposite side, I'm going to do the exact same thing except in backward knots. Now both of my yellow strings are in the center again, and I'm going to connect it once again with a forward knot. Now just continue taking the next string in line, making forward knots until it reaches the center on the left side, and on the opposite side, make backward knots, and then once it's in the center, connect the 2 strings with a forward knot, which is exactly what I'm going to do now. And just like that, I've completed my first leaf. What I'm going to do now is repeat the steps. So once again, starting in the center, take the strings next to it, create a forward knot on the left side, and a backward knot on the right side. Connect the two strings with a forward knot, and just continue doing this until your bracelet reaches the right length. So that's what I'm going to do now. Now I've completed my bracelet, so what I'm going to do now is tie a double knot. Then I'm going to take a button and take it through one of my strings. Then I'm going to flip this over. And taking my two strings that I took through my button, what I'm going to do is tie a double knot. And then finally, once again, I'm going to take all of my strings together and tie one final double knot. And then lastly, I'm going to cut off the extra strings. So now that my bracelet is finished, this is what it looks like. And if you wanted to know how to make this braided adjustable friendship bracelet, I have already made a tutorial on it on my channel. Definitely go and check it out. I hope you guys liked this video. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye!